I am going to try to cut this pineapple because I've never cut a pineapple before, and it's probably not even good to eat anymore. I'm gonna try to cut it based on this photo alone. So let's take a look. First, it says to just cut it in half. So let's try that. Well, I'm gonna have to take this part off first. Whoa, like, I don't know about this. I do not know about this. Wow, okay. Doesn't actually seem too bad. Like, let's try to taste it. Like, I'll taste it. Okay, let's talk about my form. Not the best, okay? Not the best on the scale. My face, not the best. Continuing to cut it like this, and then I'm acting like something astronomical is about to pop out of this pineapple. But you know what? We made it. And then what? Do you peep it at? Like, do you see what I'm seeing? Like,
see what?
So sticky, so juicy. Oh, that's like hard right there. Oh, pull my sleeve up. I need a trash. Oh, okay. Wait, this is like kind of cute. Okay, no. Done. Yeah, you can't leave this. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna work. Yeah. So how am I supposed to eat? How am I supposed to? Wow. Oh, it's so good. Pineapple juice, like squeeze it? No way. I'll do that. Ugh, I can't. I have all these to go, you're kidding. How can you tell if a pineapple isn't like... I mean, this is definitely overripe. Like, now I'm gonna play. Like, this definitely... But, however, I think I like better that way. So it's like sweeter and like softer, I guess. I'm gonna try this one again. Let me see if I can... Yeah, no, I don't think the skin's gonna work. I'm gonna like break my plate, first of all. That's what's gonna happen. Oh, no, look at it. Oh, that's so like hard right there though. I don't like that. Whoa, that was a lot of flavor. Whoa, this is ripe for sure. I already said that, but whoa, whoa, you know? My hands are so messy right now. Did you see how smooth that was? We're just gonna do this. Actually, I'm not sure what we're gonna do. You know, I did wash my hands before this and stuff. Just saying. I don't even know if I'm really gonna eat it. I'm not trying to be wasteful. It's just not like falling into place, you know? Like the life, like the life cycle just isn't like falling into place where I would be eating this pineapple. Maybe I can put it outside for some animals. I don't know how my mom cuts all these fruits. Like, I just wouldn't know. At this point, I'm just going with the vibes. Just going with it at all times. So I met this, I should have told this story way earlier, like had something to talk about. Maybe I'll save it. And I'll tell it another story in another time.
Well, okay, basically,
I was walking the lake and the 77-year-old woman comes up to me, like she's literally 77. And because I talked to her, we ended up walking the whole lake together. Long story short, and she's from the Philippines, and she met her husband through pen pal. Like they wrote to each other from the United States to the Philippines, and he like passed away. I'm not
in the mood to tell a story. Like, I don't. No, I'm in the mood, but it's just not in the moment now. Like, I could have told it way better.
Okay, I'm just gonna like end it here. I may get a pineapple again and actually cut it the day I get it, and enjoy the pineapple. I didn't really give you too much to work with, but I guess it worked. I don't know if like society, like if you, I don't know if people like regularly like know how to cut a pineapple or different fruits, because like I don't. Why am this knife down? Put that down. Hope everyone has a good day. Live it up. Drink some pineapple juice, eat some fruit, drink some water, and that's it.